Want to download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to install VLC in 2026. VLC can play almost any video or audio format, and it's completely free. First, open any browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type to search VLC Media Player. Open the official website from Videoland. Click the big orange Download VLC button. The setup file will begin downloading automatically. After download, open the setup file. Click Yes if prompted. Click Next. Click Install. Once installation is complete, open VLC Media Player, drag and drop any video to start playing if you want. You can also convert videos, play damaged files, stream media online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials.